I wake up with a clear mind. I wake up with a clear mind. With a clean slate. With a clean slate. And with a connection to my life's purpose. And with a connection to my life's purpose. I listen to and honor the callings of my soul. I listen to and honor the callings of my soul. I pay attention to what lights me up. I pay attention to what lights me up. I am fearless and shameless of my callings. I am fearless and shameless of my callings. It feels so good to be true to myself and to my soul. It feels so good to be true to myself and to my soul. I'm fearless in the pursuit of my purpose. I'm fearless in the pursuit of my purpose. And I happily accept that my purpose evolves over time. And I happily accept that my purpose evolves over time. I have special and very specific contributions to make to the world. I have special and very specific contributions to make to the world. I am needed. I am needed. I am important, and what I do with my life really matters. I am important, and what I do with my life really matters. I am becoming more and more connected to myself. I am becoming more and more connected to myself. The more I tune in, the more my purpose becomes clear. The more I tune in, the more my purpose becomes clear. I give myself the time and space for self-discovery. I give myself the time and space for self-discovery. I'm grateful for all the divine information and inspiration that I receive each day. I'm grateful for all the divine information and inspiration that I receive each day. I receive messages with divine guidance and with gratitude. I receive messages with divine guidance and with gratitude. My highest purpose reveals itself to me now. My highest purpose reveals itself to me now. I have all of the energy and the resources to pursue it. I have all of the energy and the resources to pursue it. I'm capable of anything I set my mind and my heart to. I'm capable of anything I set my mind and my heart to. I trust my inner voice and my intuition. I trust my inner voice and my intuition. I have the power to create a deeply meaningful life. I have the power to create a deeply meaningful life. The actions that I take are in alignment with my values and who I am and who I want to be. The actions that I take are in alignment with my values and who I am and who I want to be. I am happy and content with what I have while I continue to grow. I am happy and content with what I have while I continue to grow. Today I'm walking confidently in the direction of my life's true and current purpose. Today I'm walking confidently in the direction of my life's true and current purpose. Follow the Affirmation Babe on Instagram. Did you love this affirmation? Take a screenshot or selfie and tag us. And also, send me a message personally and let me know what you would love to hear more of. I'm Ashley Diana, founder of Affirmation Babe. Connect with me at Miss Ashley Diana on Instagram. I can't wait to hear from you. And remember, you can have it all. Hey babe, thank you for being a part of the Affirmation Babe movement. We are changing lives by helping people change the way that they speak to themselves. and I have a surprise for you, but I need your help. We are trying to reach more and more people around the world, and one of the best ways to do that is to be able to climb the podcast charts. So I have a favor to ask. Would you please head over to Apple Podcast and leave a review for Affirmation Babe? And when you do that, I am going to send you a free bracelet. Here's how it works. Take a screenshot of your review and go to affirmationbabe.com/review. You'll upload your review to that form and we'll send you a brand new Affirmation Babe bracelet. It is so pretty and it's made with purple amethyst gemstones and it's engraved with the words, "You can have it all." Leave a review, upload it to that form with your mailing address, and we will send you your bracelet anywhere in the world. Does that sound good? Enjoy your affirmation. Go leave a review and thank you. Hey, Affirmation Babes. If you have ever wanted to create your own podcast, look no further than the Anchor app. Anchor is what I use to host the Affirmation Babe. It's free and it's super easy. You can record, edit, and publish your podcast right from your phone. And Anchor does the work for you by getting your podcast on all the major platforms like Spotify, Apple, and more. Download the free Anchor app or go to anchor.fm to get started. Follow the Affirmation Babe on Instagram. Did you love this affirmation? Take a screenshot or selfie and tag us. And also, send me a message personally and let me know what you would love to hear more of. I'm Ashley Diana, founder of Affirmation Babe. Connect with me at Miss Ashley Diana on Instagram. I can't wait to hear from you. And remember, you can have it all.